Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of June 3rd, 2024. Well, everyone's capacity light keeps flashing yellow out there. Another 628 net authorities were removed from the market last week, really accelerating that pace. We continue to hear of mid-sized trucking companies, 80, 70, 140 trucks being shut down on a regular basis. And we are not hearing of trucking companies of 80, 70, 120 trucks coming into the business. So we are losing capacity. That rate of capacity loss is starting to accelerate. Again, probably going to be needed in order to bring this market into balance. Not really what anyone wants, not what anyone's looking for when they're starting a business out there. We have seen rates continue to hold. This Sonar NTIL is showing $1.70, which continues to be up above where it was last year by about 7 cents. On the DAT side, DAT is showing rates having gained heading into June, but again, very, very, very early and still coming off that short 4-day week. What do we see coming for the rest of the month? Well, produce is definitely here. It's spreading north, by the way. It's heading into Atlanta right now, and that's where we're seeing postings just shoot on up in Atlanta for dry van, reefer, etc., which means it's coming into South Carolina and into North Carolina right about now as well, and it will keep on spreading, and it's a good one. It's a good produce season, but it's not having that huge impact swinging rates up violently by any means. Rates are taking those stairs on up. For those of you who have heard me talk about this is something we've been saying was going to happen all year long. That elevator, we're not really seeing it, but the stairs, yes, starting to grow. But that doesn't mean that June is going to be gangbusters. If anything, we think that volumes are going to be fairly limited. Produce volume, yes, it's out there, but it's not impacting overall volume until really you get to that end of the quarter. Then we start to see where that IOTI, that inbound ocean tender volume, will start to come in and hit the domestic ports. We do think that you're going to see certain pockets and certain markets are going to be extremely tight. Los Angeles is going to be extremely tight. Dallas has been extremely tight. Houston's been extremely tight. We know the markets that we've talked about in the Southeast. So we think that you're going to see way more of that impact than you are going to see the overall market be lifted. So not a lot changing really through June. Think of it almost as your static month. What's going to change? Just that spread upward north. Other than that, you're looking at some pretty smooth sailing out there for the month set up for you. That's all we've got for this week. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.